We're out here bright and early on a little local lake. Nothing special. It's not huge, but it's definitely a nice spot for some largemouth. As you can see, the fog is still lifting off the lake. We're gonna throw the Ned rig, and we're gonna throw right in the morning here. I'm gonna try this frog first, just to see if I can get anything on the frog. You can see I packed a lot lighter than usual because that extra tackle really makes it hard when you gotta sit in kayak. And eventually I'll be getting a sit on so I can get more leg room in here. That's the plan here. We're gonna throw the frog a little while, see if we get any bites, see if they're hitting on top water, maybe throw a whopper popper. Then we're gonna go out and throw some Ned rigs and probably maybe a football jig or here and there. All right. It's definitely calm and there's nobody on this lake. We're the only ones. Got my external battery supply here for my GoPro because the battery doesn't last long at all without this. So this is like a, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but it's a 26,800 milliamp, which means it'll charge my devices all day. Plus it'll charge your cell phone. It'll charge multiple devices. We're going to be using our Lews custom black speed stick, 7-foot medium heavy combo for the heavier, for the frogs and the cranks and stuff, and then a medium Lews mock inshore 7-foot. That's the medium heavy. This one's the medium for the lighter stuff like the Neds and whatever. All right, let's get I don't know why I got my wallet with me. I don't like bringing my wallet, but I'll put it in this pocket here and zipper it up. We'll get on our way. All right, see you when we get out there. Oh, we got a good one, guys. Just threw that blue and black chatterbait on there. Oh, this guy's pulling me around the lake here. Not a huge guy, but nice. Come here. Nice size. Pull him off that point over there. Nice largie. Nice. These guys are warm. There you go, buddy. Go back. Just pulled them off that point right there where the rocks are. Threw it right over and came off that ledge. I know it drops off over there, goes up shallow and then it drops off, but it's basically just blue, oh man, I gotta fix that, blue and black chatterbait, and I threw this trailer on here. It looks like a crayfish. Dick's had these things on sale for $1 a bag, or $1.50 a bag. And there was like 8 of them in a bag, so I grabbed them because I knew they'd make a good trailer. And paired up with this blue and black chatterbait, absolutely, it works great. That was actually my first, believe it or not, chatterbait fish right there. Might have to go shallower. I'm not sure. Oh, I got a hit. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this one's good. Oh, stay down, boy. Stay down, boy. There we go. Nice. Come here. Oh, man. A whole mess of them over here. Hey, keep your... This one's a good one too, huh? Man, that's a good size right there. Oh, don't want to lose the pole. He choked it for sure. Oh. It's near his eye. I'm gonna have to give this guy some slack here. Alright. Oh, I got some slack. This thing's like right near his eye. That sucks. So I'm gonna try to get this out without disturbing his eye too much here. Man, he really swallowed that shit. For sure. There we go. Saved his eye. That's a nice size too. That's 2 off that point. 2 casts. Alright. We're on to some bass here. Bait holding up pretty good. I might be able to get another couple fish out of it. Oh, got something big here. Wow, that's a big boy right there. That's a big boy. Got him. Oh, good thing, because he came off the hook. Come here. Ooh, that's a good one. Nice chunker. Got one. He's a good one too. Whoa. He's definitely a big boy. Definitely a big boy. He's on there though. Oh, he came off. Okay. That sucks. Oh, had a hit. There's one. We definitely got this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got him. Come on. Oh, he's a good one. There we go. There we go. Now we're finding them, huh? What's up, buddy? I know there's more in here. It's a little pike. He's slimy. Little pike. Whoa, I got something good. Something good. Something chomped on this thing. I got something good. I don't know what it is yet. Super heavy, whatever he is. Really? A drumfish? To hit on my freaking jerk bait? Yeah. I think he swallowed my whole jerk bait though. You serious? Can I go around the backside of this tree without dying? I can't believe he hit on a jerk bait. You serious? He literally swallowed my whole jerk bait. I see a little piece of it hanging out. Unless it's stuck on the side of his face. Oh, there he goes. It's just stuck on the side of his face. Oh my God. I gotta climb down here and die? Oh well. Oh man. Oh. I can't believe he hit on a jerk bait. I don't think I've ever seen one do that. Yeah, he's a big boy. For sure. The size of that thing. Wow. Oh, crappie. Actually fatty. Bye, crappie. Ooh, got something. Little guy. Come on. Don't cut me off on them rocks. Oh, not even good size. Wow. This is the one I was looking for here. Look at that one, huh? Nice smallie, yeah. Seen him chase it earlier, and he got away. I says, he ain't coming back for it. He sure did. Come on. I got a hook in me a couple days ago. Shaking like that, you know? Yep. They get you, man. Those treble hooks are vicious. Come here. Come here. Almost. Got one left. Head over here. Man. There we go. Good size. Probably about 1.5 pounds, maybe.